If Valencia is known for one thing, it's paella. So I had to visit Miquel, who specializes in giving guests a traditional paella experience.
Hello!
Hi Janice, welcome!
Thank you, Miquel. How are you?
Hi, are you ready for a rice cooking lesson?
I'm excited.
So Miquel, tell me, why did you start Horta Viva and what is the experience that you want people to have here when they come?
We offer activities around agriculture and food. We organize tours in the Huerta of Valencia or about agriculture. And we have this experience that we're going to live today that is about cooking.
Yes, cooking, because paella is something that you need to have when you're here in Valencia, especially since the rice is grown here, the veggies are grown here. Making it is something that's a family gathering, right? Like every Sunday, a lot of families get together and for lunch they just cook paella for the whole day.
Okay, we have a tradition to do this, and we do it every Sunday. And we do it for 3, 4, 5 hours. It's a very long period. Then we try to offer our visitors just the same experience that you can live in a family, my Valencian family, every Sunday.
So first, we're gonna go pick the veggies for the paella.
Yes, you have to work a little bit.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to learn how to make my first paella. Okay, so let's go.
One more?
Okay, we need
We need some topping.
we don't have people, for example.
Here, what are we putting in it?
We have a lot of different vegetables. The main part of this season from our organic garden. Very important for us is the saffron.
Very important, saffron. And the saffron, you said you sell that here in...
It's from La Mancha. It's from Castilla. Okay. It's at the west of the Valencian region.
Okay.
Here's the region for the saffron. We have this. This is it's like a pipa sauce that is very typical in Alicante, in the south of the region.
Okay.
That I think is going to help a lot for obtain more flavor. In the
color
rice.
and everything.
Yes,
so many veggies. This is going to be a
Yes,
very healthy rice.
And
Very
I have
healthy.
good news for you because we have a stock that we made yesterday with more vegans.
More veggies to give it that extra flavor.
Yes.
Oh, nice. I love it. Okay, I guess let's get to cooking, no? Traditionally, paella is cooked over wood fire outside in the beautiful sunshine, but due to the spring weather, we got caught in some rain. Luckily, we had a plan B to cook over fire inside and continue prepping the veggies. Okay, so now it's time to actually start cooking with the paella pan.
Take your tool.
Yes.
And then we're gonna start.
All right.
We have the paella pan. Okay.
This is one giant paella pan. How big is this? What's the size?
Okay, this is we're going to cook a paella for 8 people.
8 people. All
Then
right.
we're going to a lot of food for us.
Yes, I like that. A lot of food. Always important.
First of all, we're going to add the olive oil.
Olive oil, okay.
Yes, just around. Then I like to add a little bit of salt.
Yeah.
Just around. And then we can start. We have different vegetables.
Okay.
Y ahora el tomate, ¿no?
Okay, so we just put in all the veggies and the stock. The next part is we're gonna put in the rice and get this process started.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, it's beautiful.
What
Look
do you
at that.
Amazing. I'm ready to eat it. I'm ready to eat it.
Do you want to eat something?
Yes. Are you happy with
Or
it?
just for a picture?
Oh, we're taking a picture.
You can eat. Guys. Good looking.
It looks beautiful. That looks so
Este
good.
me gusta aprender cosas nuevas.
Sí.
Se queda con baba. Es la verdad.
Okay, so it's time to try this. All our hard work. I'm excited. Okay, veggie paella. Let's try this. The flavor is there. The flavor is so good. You can taste all the vegetables, and it's moist and it's yummy. There you go, you guys. If you want a veggie paella experience straight from the garden, this is where you come. Eat family style. Feel like you're part of the Valencia community. Yes? Yeah. So coming into this, what I was expecting was like that Valencia family experience. So something to know is here every Sunday, all these families come together and they make this giant paella outside and they hang out all day, and that's the experience I was kind of hoping to get, which I did. I loved that, you know, I actually got to pick all the vegetables that were gonna go into the paella. I got to see where the vegetables were grown. The family that received me was so kind. I felt like I was welcomed into somebody's house who I knew, who I've known for a long time. That's how they welcomed me, so I really enjoyed that. If you're visiting a new city, find opportunities to mix in with the locals and do experiences that are just outside of your comfort zone or something different and unfamiliar, because that's what makes trips so special.